We as EPSCO team, whenever we get a project, we analyze, we try to make a risk assessment in which we try to understand what is the risk involved in the project, and then we try to mitigate the situations by visiting the site. Then we have a site meetings where we call the project managers, we call the safety engineers, we also call the supervisors and down the team leaders also to understand what is the depth or what is the real risk involved in our organization as EPSCO. If there is a risk, stop the work. It has to be mitigated before in hand. We don't carry out any work if there is a risk involved in any of the jobs. First, we analyze how to mitigate it, then we go forward with it. Just to say with you an example, whenever I'm going to a site, I make it a point. For example, I would like to tell you, there was one of the sites where we had to go and visit the site, and then there was asbestos containing all over the place. Then we also had the documents and the reports where we knew that this asbestos is present in this place only, and we had the green zone, the red zone, the orange zone, and all the contaminated zone. So it was my role over there to divide the place and make it contain where the office staff is going to be, which is nowhere related to go in the control room, or they have to go in the regulated area. So the staff which is office related did not go in that area. We have to divide the areas. The office area is different. The controlled area is different, where the technicians, the abatement technicians are, especially the way they go over there, that's the way. And then there's another way, which is this area is also contaminated. And then the other area is a regulated area, which is a highly risk area. That's the reason we don't call it a controlled area, we don't call it a restricted area, we called it a regulated area. So it is a high risk and a high risk factor. That's the reason it is called a regulated area. Considering the safety measures, we have a tally system, then we have a store in that area, then we also have the decon chamber over there, and all this area is barricaded with a green fencing, a green net fencing of a 12 feet height. And after that, we have got a decon chamber, we have got a negative air pressure machines installed over there, which is helping the decon area to pressurize or depressurize. We have got a mechanized gauge mount on this. This is all the safety procedures we carry out before we go into the regulated area. It is also one of the incidents I would like to bring to you. As a leader of a team, I have to take care where I have to come in, where I have to pitch in, where I have to give a sudden visit, so my colleagues, my team leaders, my engineers, my managers are following the protocols and the ISO standards in which we follow.